Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the Reddit app not working on your iPhone. If the Reddit app has any problems with it, some of the features aren't working or it's not working at all, then the 5 simple solutions that I'm gonna show you are gonna help you fix it. And the first one is updating your Reddit. This is a very common thing. You just need to update it and there's a high chance of it working after that. So let's go to search, then search for Reddit. Now, even if it says open right here, still click on the Reddit icon and it may say update in the app page. Once you update it, it may be working or not, it just depends. If it doesn't, then go to settings. And another common issue are the permissions. So let's go back to the main page and scroll all the way down to apps. Now I'm gonna find the Reddit on the list and there will be quite a few permissions. You can just check them. These Reddit settings aren't really you don't need to enable them. It's all up to you. And these are just not safe for work content settings, so it's just up to you. But here are the things that I would prefer to have them enabled so everything works as planned, especially the background app refresh. This helps you receive notifications on time, and the mobile data, which helps you use Reddit if you're not connected to any Wi-Fi. Also, if you have a camera permission here, also if you want to take pictures within Reddit, then it's gonna be helpful. The photos, if you set photos to allow all, it's also going to be helpful to append any photos within posts, or you can also just have contacts or whatever, just set it so it works. If there's any permission that you don't want to give, it's up to you, but you just need to have in mind that this may cause the app to not work 100%. And now let's get to the next thing, which is restarting your iPhone. So this is a very common fix, very simple one, and you just need to press on the power button combined with either of the volume buttons. Now you can just slide to power off and wait for 10 to 15 seconds. After that, begin by pressing and holding on the power button until you can see the Apple logo, then release the button and wait. Now since the iPhone is restarted, I'm just gonna quickly unlock it. And now you can check if your app is working. If it still isn't, then you may reinstall it, but before you do, make sure that you have access to the password. So you either need to have it written down somewhere, remember it, or you may have it saved in the password, so you can check it out here. And if you're sure that you will be able to log in later, you can just press and hold on the Reddit app, click on remove app, delete. And now let's reinstall it. So in order to reinstall it, just go to the App Store and search for Reddit. Now download it right here and it'll be just set. So it may work now. If it still doesn't work, then there is the last fix, which is going to settings, general iPhone storage, because any of the apps that you have, including Reddit, will require some free storage to cache the files on your phone. And to just free up the storage, you need to either uninstall apps that you don't use, So I don't really use LinkedIn, and I can either offload it if I'm planning on reinstalling the app in the future and I want to keep my documents and data. But if I don't care about my documents and data, or I'm not planning to reinstall that app in the future, I can just delete it. Offloading the app will reduce the app size to 0 megabytes, but will keep the documents and data, and deleting the app or uninstalling the app will delete it fully. And if you can't really uninstall any app, then let's go to photos. The photos on my private phone take up quite a lot of space. It's like 50 megabytes, I guess. And, most of them aren't really that important. So the ones that you feel comfortable with deleting, you can just select them, then click on delete and delete them. Also the photos, the videos. The videos take up the most space, as we can see here, for example, on this recording. It takes up 28 megabytes. So if I deleted that recording, it will probably free up a lot of my space. You can also see the videos in the videos section right here. So you have all the videos here. Then remember that after you delete anything, it's not yet deleted permanently, which means that it doesn't free up your storage. It's great because it gives you a chance, a 30-day time to recover these photos if you change your mind. But if you want to free up your storage, then go to the recently deleted, then unlock it with Face ID or passcode, and here you can just select the items that you want to delete and delete them permanently. But make sure that you really want to delete them, because in case you delete it, there will be just no way to get back. And also, if you delete just five photos, then it probably won't help, because you need to delete a bit more to free up your storage. Once it's freed up and it didn't help, try restarting again. If it still didn't do anything, then it's probably not your phone's fault. It's just that either the Reddit servers are down right now and should be up in up to several hours, but sometimes even like 15 minutes, honestly. Also there is a chance that there's an update required that hasn't been yet rolled out by the developer of Reddit, and you just need to check App Store frequently for a new update. When it rolls out, it should help you. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.